Welcome to your Math Support course. This course is designed to offer support to you on the prerequisite material that you need to know in order to be successful in your curriculum math course. The math concepts in this course are most likely going to be skills that you've seen or done before, but you need to brush up on. In addition to math skills, this course will also assist you with study skills, time management, and mindset. There is a module in the course that aligns with each chapter or unit in your curriculum level math course. This video will give you an overview of how this course is laid out. Let's take a look around. You should begin by clicking the Start Here button. Then it's important that you complete the first 4 steps. So begin by watching this video. Once you've watched the video, click the Next button. Please take a minute to introduce yourself in the introduction forum. It may seem redundant, but you need to complete this step in all of your hybrid or online courses that you are taking. To reply, click the Reply button. Type your introduction. Scroll down and click Post Reply. Once you've introduced yourself, click the Next button to be taken to the next step. In this step, you need to read the course announcements. Your support course instructor will post announcements several times each week to give you a heads up on the important things you should be working on. It is extremely important that you pay close attention to these announcements. You will also receive a copy of each announcement in your SCC Gmail. Each time you enter Canvas, please take a quick minute to click on the announcements to read the newest info from your instructor. The announcements are located over here on the left-hand side. Once you've read the announcement, click the Next button. Step 3 is to read the course resources. The course resources contains important information that you may need to reference throughout the semester. It is your responsibility to go through the course resources in detail. Let's take a look at the few of the highlights together. We'll start by looking at the instructor's policy. So this is like your course syllabus. Your instructor's policy will contain some contact information at the top. Their email address will be listed there, but you can also contact your instructor using the inbox in Canvas over on the left-hand side. You will need a calculator for this course. Underneath Textbook and Course Resources, it will explain what type of calculator you need. Let's scroll down to the course policies. The census date activity. This is very important that you complete the first 4 steps in Canvas for each of your math courses, for your curriculum course and for your support course. If you do not complete these by the due date, you will be withdrawn from the course. Withdrawals. Students enrolled in co-requisite courses who drop either course will be withdrawn from both courses. So if you withdraw from your support course, you will automatically be withdrawn from your curriculum course. Vice versa is also true. If you are withdrawn from your curriculum course, then you will also be withdrawn from your co-requisite. It's important that you complete both courses. Check your Canvas inbox. Your instructors will use your Canvas inbox to correspond with you. It's important that you check this Canvas inbox several times a week. Like I said previously, that's located over here on the left-hand side in Canvas. Journal assignments. Journal assignments are going to be very important in this course. You're going to be graded using a rubric, and I'll show you that rubric in just a minute. There's 2 things that we're looking for there. You have to complete all of the questions, and you will be graded on your grammar. Support check. There's 2 other types of assignments that you'll be doing inside of MyMathLab. The first one is a support check. This support check consists of questions to check your prior knowledge of the skills that you're going to need in this chapter. This support check does not count towards your course grade. However, the better you do on this assignment, the less amount of work you're going to have to do of your homework. So you want to make a really good grade on this support check to reduce those homework problems. But if you don't know how to do a problem on the support check, it's okay. Just skip it and move on. Now, the support homework that you're going to do in MyMathLab for each chapter is very important. So, it's important that you make at least an 85% on that homework assignment in order to receive any credit. You can rework the problems as many times as needed, and we highly encourage you to rework the assignment until you make a 100%. Let's keep scrolling on down. Cheating will not be tolerated. Also, late work will not be accepted. The attendance policy, if you do not log into Canvas for 1 week or you're not meeting class requirements, then you will be withdrawn from the class. So make sure that you're keeping up with your assignments because you will have assignments due weekly. So you can continue to read through this, all of the details. The grading is here for you. This is a pass-fail course. Notice that journal entries in Canvas count as 60%, and then those support homeworks are 40% of your grade. So that's going to be extremely important that you complete both types of assignments in order to pass this class. Now, let's go back to our Canvas course. The next thing under course resources is a checklist of assignments. This is a very important document, and you should print it and follow it closely. It's going to contain the due dates for both your support course and your curriculum course. This first column gives you a list of all of your assignments. The second column tells you which course. If it just has your course, then that's your curriculum course. If it says support course, that's your co-requisite support course. And typically your support course will be posted in a different color than your curriculum course. Then it tells you whether the assignments in Canvas are MyMathLab. There's a little box so that you can check it off when you print this, and then you have the due dates. And all the assignments are listed in order. So this is a very important document. Make sure you print this and follow it. Let's go back to Canvas. The last thing we want to look at are journal entries. Like I said, your journal entries are worth 60%. Make sure you read this entire document, and it gives you an overview of the rubric that will be used. Like I said, you'll be graded on whether you answer all of the questions, and you will be graded on grammar. Once you've finished reading these documents in their entirety, then you can watch this one more video that's going to explain how to use MyMathLab. Once you do that, click the next button. Then you're going to be taken to a quiz. This quiz is going to test you on the materials that were in the previous step. So make sure you've read those course resource documents and paid close attention to the video. You can retake this quiz multiple times, but you must make a 100 before you'll be allowed to proceed in the course. That completes our overview of the first 4 steps. Please take a few minutes to complete steps 1 through 4 now, and contact your instructor if you have questions.